Welcome to our channel. If you need to factory reset your iPad to fix issues or prepare it for a new owner, follow these step-by-step instructions to erase all content and settings. Step 1. Before resetting, make sure to back up your important data to iCloud or your computer to prevent data loss. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPad by tapping the gear icon on your home screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap General in the left sidebar or list of options. Step 4. Scroll to the bottom of the General settings and tap Transfer or Reset iPad. Step 5. Tap Erase all content and settings to begin the factory reset process. Step 6. If you have Find My iPad enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to proceed. Step 7. Review the information about what will be erased, then tap Continue to confirm. Step 8. If you have a passcode set up, enter it when prompted to authorize the reset. Step 9. Tap Erase iPad to confirm your decision. The reset process will begin immediately. Step 10. Wait for the reset to complete. Your iPad will restart and show the Hello screen, indicating it's ready for a new setup. Step 11. If you're keeping the iPad, you can now set it up as a new device or restore from a backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.